What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Got this quick little video for you. Christian running a central air conditioning service call in the Orlando, Central Florida area. If you're in the Orlando, Central Florida area between Clermont and Daytona, give me a call at 407-375-1100 or save time. Book online at orlandopipedoctor.com. Let's get going.
Here with Pipe Doctor of Central Florida. Today we're working on an AC system that customer assumed was low on refrigerant. They assumed correctly. I had almost no subcooling on this system. It's using an expansion valve. It's an older system, 410A system, and I've added in 2 pounds. Now, I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me, I'm gonna stand there. Now I'm about 10 degrees is highest it's come up. I'm letting it run for a couple of minutes and we'll see what it does. And they also wanted to add in that leak sealer over there, so we'll add that into the system as well. I did give them the option of trying to find the leak or replacing the system. I told them since it's like a 2009 system, it's got a leak in it apparently. I don't know how much it's going to cost you. You know, it might be more worth it at this point to just replace it, but they just want cooling now, I guess. So like I said, I added in 2 pounds, let it run for a little while, see what it does. Hopefully for them it stops there. Added in the leak sealer, about 2.5 pounds of refrigerant. They're running. Subcool came up to, I believe it was 13. They have a 17-degree split now instead of just, I think it was 10 when I started. So it should be good. We'll see. Hopefully the leak still works. If not, we'll be back. If you guys like the video, please subscribe and have a good day.
If you're not calling Mikey Pipes, you're getting screwed.
There you go. That's right.